I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl.
I don't need no fake. Soon as I wake up, keep an eye out for the snakes.
Ride in it, die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Okay, so let's get into it, y'all. So first of all, I have so much makeup.
I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Where did I been living?
I have me some beauty blenders. I have some lashes, makeup wipes, aloe vera, alcohol pads, razors, hand sanitizer, a little fan for when I get hot doing my clients. And then I have some business cards right here to give to clients. They come in. Then I have brushes right here. I have some glitter, some extra eyeshadow. This is a must-have if you're a makeup artist. It cleans your brushes so fast. Got Cinema Secrets. I have some lotion. I have some cotton swab. I just have a lot of stuff over here. Right here, y'all, right next to my makeup station, I have my seating area. And so I got this pompous plant from Marshalls. I got this from TJ Maxx. I got these chairs from TJ Maxx. They pretty much all sell the same thing, so you could probably find those in Marshalls or TJ Maxx. So my whole thing was gold and pink. So I have a picture of myself, and yeah, it was my photo shoot I did for my brand. My brow tint area. Over here I have this little rolling cart. Basically all of my brow tint products are on here. I have this little mirror. Y'all can see y'all right here. I have a few products for my brow tint. I have this little cabinet. I got this from Five Below, y'all. This was like $5. Wipes, 2x2 wipes, napkins. I have some latex free gloves. I have some brow tinting aftercare cards. So this is what I give my clients after they get their brows tinted. I have some petroleum jelly, some cleansing water. This is where I sit and I do my brow tinting client. I have a traveling makeup bag in case someone wants me to come to their house and do their makeup. I can just put all my makeup in there. Then I have this little storage cube that I got from Five Below. Let me show y'all. So I have some brow tint consent forms. I have a dustpan. I have some Lysol wipes. I have some Windex window cleaner, Fabuloso. I got some Airwick. Spray some of that. Then I got some disinfectant spray, more napkins. I even got some Pringles for a little snacky snack. And then I got a cape, my makeup cape, and I got some rags. I have my makeup cape up right now because of monkeypox and stuff like that. I don't want to be pitting the same cape on different clients in a day, so I just haven't been having the cape out lately. I have some trash bags. I have this mirror right here in the corner, and I have a pink trash can. Yeah, I like this mirror. One of my co-workers actually gave me this mirror, so I thought that was cute. And I have a ring light right here, which is why we have such good lighting. I have my bag up here. And it's really about the details for me, y'all, because I make sure they have them gold knobs. It's all in the details. Then right here, I have Above my massage bed, I have a clock, and it's gold and pink. And then above my door, guess what I have? My esthetician license. This is it. Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you go follow my business page on Instagram and follow my main page on Instagram. Make sure you all subscribe to my channel below. Hit that subscribe button right now. Leave going. So focus on you, focus on your journey, and you